Is AI going to take over your 9 to 5 job? I decided to put it to the test, and today, I'm sharing the real experiment results. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how much work AI can do for you, and whether it's possible to replace your daily job using AI tools. Welcome back to AI Profit Lab, the channel where we explore real ways AI can make your life easier and more profitable. AI is evolving fast, and many people wonder if it could replace traditional jobs. Today, I ran a 24-hour experiment using multiple AI tools to see if I could complete a normal 9 to 5 workday entirely with AI. The goal is realistic testing, not theory. Focused on tasks common in office jobs, emails, content creation, social media, research. Step 1. Administrative tasks with AI tools, ChatGPT, Tome AI, automated email responses, drafted reports. Result, 80% of repetitive admin work completed. Step 2. Content creation. Tools, Pictory AI, Handle AI, created presentations, social media posts, and video clips. Result, AI completed content 3x faster than usual. Step 3. Data and research tasks. Tools, Chatsonic, Google Bard AI, compiled data, research topics, generated summaries. Result, saved hours of manual research. Step 4. Creative work. Tools, Midjourney, Runway AI, generated graphics, marketing visuals, and quick design tasks. Result, 90% of visual content replaced. Step 5. Summary. AI cannot fully replace jobs requiring human creativity or decision-making. However, it dramatically reduces workload and saves time. AI is best used to augment productivity. Key highlights and insights. AI can handle repetitive, structured tasks efficiently. Human oversight is essential for quality, judgment, and creativity. Combining AI tools can save multiple hours daily. Future trend, AI will assist and augment most office jobs rather than fully replace them. Verdict and call to action. So, can AI replace your 9 to 5? Not entirely, but it can do the heavy lifting, reduce stress, and allow you to focus on more important work. Comment below, would you let AI handle part of your job? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real AI experiments and tutorials.